Scarcity. Let's identify what means scarcity. Scarcity is a basic concept in economics. It means a lack of productive resources in comparison to unlimited human wants. So, scarcity is a comparative concept, not just a mere concept. Why scarcity arises? Scarcity basically arises because of two reasons. What are the two reasons? First, because human wants being when there is scarcity of resources, people have to face many problems, such as people cannot produce and consume all of what they want. People have to give priority to what they want first, and people have to make choices and they have to make sacrifices. So, scarcity can be explained using a production possibility curve. As economic students, we know what is a production possibility curve. Production possibility curve shows the maximum possible production combinations of two goods of an economy when the economy uses all of its available resources to the maximum utilization with full efficiency. So the points along a production possibility curve shows the production combinations which are achievable or attainable by an economy. If the economy produces outside, if the economy wants to produce a point outside the production possibility curve, it shows a scarcity. That a point outside the production possibility curve shows that production combination cannot be achieved by that economy. According to the above graph, the point B and D or any other point along the production possibility curve can be achieved, but not the point K, because the point K lies beyond the production possibility curve, which is unattainable by that economy. Therefore, the point K of the above graph shows scarcity of resources. So accordingly, the scarcity is explained by a point outside a production possibility curve of an economy as shown above.